Welcome to your 10-minute lower belly fat workout, the perfect routine to help you target that stubborn belly pouch right at home. No equipment, no gym, and no excuses. All you need is your body, your breath, and your willpower. Let's get started and melt that lower belly fat one rep at a time. We begin with a light warm-up to wake up the core. Stand tall, take a deep breath in, and start with gentle high knees. Just bring your knees up toward your chest. One at a time, swing your arms naturally. Keep your core engaged. This gets your blood flowing and signals your body that it's time to move. Stay with me for 30 seconds. Now let's drop to the mat for leg raises. Lie flat on your back, hands under your hips for support. Slowly raise both legs up toward the ceiling, then lower them back down with control. Don't let your feet touch the floor. This move isolates the lower abs and helps tone the pouch area directly. Stay slow, stay controlled, that's where the magic happens. Next, without resting, go into flutter kicks. Keep your legs just a few inches off the ground and start kicking them up and down in small, fast motions. Point your toes and engage your core. The burn is real and that's a good sign. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor. 30 seconds. You've got this. Now rest your legs for just 10 seconds. We're going into reverse crunches. Lie back down, bend your knees, and bring them in toward your chest. Lift your hips slightly off the mat, then lower back down slowly. The key is to use your abs, not momentum. This movement is perfect for flattening the lower part of your stomach. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. Next up, we're going for scissor kicks. Legs up again, alternate crossing one leg over the other like a pair of scissors. Keep your head relaxed, your abs tight, and don't let your legs drop too low. You're doing amazing. This move targets both the lower belly and inner thighs. Let's push through it. Now flip into a forearm plank. Elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Engage your core. Hold this position for 30 seconds. If this is too much, drop your knees, but keep your belly tight. Planks are the king of all workouts for a reason. You're building strength with every second. Time for a combo move, leg raise plus pulse. Back on your mat, raise your legs up again. And now it's small pulses at the top. Just move them an inch up and down. You'll feel this in your lower abs instantly. Don't stop, keep those legs straight and the tension on your core. Pulse, 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 feel that burn. That's your fat melting. Let's cool it down with heel touches. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your shoulders off the mat slightly and reach side to side, tapping your heels. This targets your obliques and supports the full waistline, which helps shape your belly more evenly. Alright, time for our final blast, mountain climbers. Flip over into high plank position. Start driving your knees toward your chest, one at a time, fast but controlled. Keep your body low, core tight. This is cardio plus core, the perfect finisher. Let's go for 30 seconds. Push, push. Don't stop now, you're almost there. And you did it. That's your 10-minute lower belly fat workout. No crunches, no equipment, just you and your effort. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Do this workout daily. Drink more water and clean up your diet, and you will start to see results. Be proud of yourself, you showed up, and that's what matters most. I'll see you in the next video. Keep going, you've got this.